Hi, I'm Chef Rachel and I'm representing Carysil Kitchen Appliances. Carysil, one of the most sought after names in the industry of kitchen appliances, delivering excellence in every approach. These high-grade products are a perfect blend of innovation and quality. Let me take you through one of the most advanced domestic appliances of Carysil, the Kitchen Chimney, Miracle 90. Its black body and black glass gives your kitchen a super rich look compared to the flat look of old traditional chimneys. So why do we call it Miracle 90? Well, that's because of its miraculous technology of motion gesture that allows you to operate the chimney by the wave of your palm without even having to touch the operating panel. So be your hands dirty, soiled or filled with gravy, it doesn't matter. You do not need to be worried about the beauty of your chimney while cooking. This chimney not only frees your hand, but also frees you from the difficult job of having to clean the grease filter in every 7 to 15 days. As its latest technology separates oil on its own with its centrifugal suction blower that separates the oil and collects it in the oil collector. This chimney is a filterless chimney. Miracle 90 does not only save your time but also your money by eliminating the need of calling a company technician every now and then, as its auto clean function allows you to clean the chimney every 3 to 4 months. Miracle 90 boasts of a slant door and a powerful suction of airflow at 1200 cubic meter per hour, which effectively makes it comfortable for you to cook delicious food for your family and keep the kitchen smoke-free. Best for your kitchen and easy to cook, innovative technology and a class-apart look.